In this video, I will show you how to remove old devices from Google account. But before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So to get started, go ahead and open your Google account and then head over into the security tab on the left hand side of your screen. So in here, go ahead and scroll down, and then from there you'll be able to find this your devices section. So in here, click on manage all devices, and then under this you'll be able to find all of the devices where your Google Mail account is signed in. So go ahead and select that specific device that you want to remove for your Google account, and then click on the sign out button to be able to sign out your Google account from this specific device. And that is how you can basically remove old devices from Google account. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources to share with our viewers.